This is a quick guide on how to perform the simple home electrical work required when rewiring a light fixture. Today we are switching out this tube light for a much more energy efficient and cost-effective LED bulb. You will need some current testers, electrical wire cutters, box cutters, screwdrivers, and a hammer and a drill. Before doing any electrical work, you always need to ensure that there's no current running through any wires you'd be working on. Shut off the power and then use an electrical circuit tester to confirm that there's no current in the wire. Once you've done this, we're safe to get to work. Sever the wire using some wire cutters. Cut off the plastic covering to expose the three wire: black, white, and neutral. The black or hot wire will be connecting to the darker colored screws, whereas the white or cold wire will be connecting to the silver colored ones. Whereas the middle one, the neutral, is your ground. Now just strip the tips of your wires. Now we're going to be connecting all of this to your light fixture. Bend the wires into a loop shape so that they can be fit around the screws. Attach the black wire to the darker screw and ensure that it's wrapped tightly around the screw before screwing it in. Do the same for the white wire. This light fixture is not high enough voltage to worry about the ground, so just twist it up and tuck it away. Now we just have to attach the light fixture to the roof using some screws. Now that the light fixture is secured, it is safe to turn it on. Lastly, ensure to secure your wires using one of these hammer-in staples. Simply place it over your wire and hammer it in until the flat parts are level with the wall. And there you have it. The light fixture has been successfully and safely installed. Next, we're going to show you how to diagnose and change an electrical outlet with no power. For a wall outlet, you can either use a receptacle tester, as we show you here, or you can use a current detector like we used in the previous tutorial. Either way, as you can see, there's no current in the outlet. However, when we check the wiring,
there is a current.
Because there's a current in the wiring and not the outlet, we know the wiring is okay and the outlet needs to be inspected. Be sure to put all those screws in a safe place, as you'll need them for later. Now that the outlet has been unscrewed, we can check the wiring running out of the back to see if they have a current. They do, which means the outlet is faulty and needs to be replaced. Before doing any further electrical work, make sure to shut off your breaker and test to confirm that there's no current. Then, loosen off all these side screws so you can remove your wires. Much like with the light fixture, this socket's wiring consists of a hot, cold, and neutral wiring system. When we attach the new socket, the hot wire will have to go into the bronze screws, the cold into the silver screws, and the neutral will have to go into the black screw on the top. You can either loop the wiring around the screw, or you can insert it directly into the back of your socket. Once the wire is fully inserted, tighten up the screw to ensure it doesn't come out. Repeat this step for both the cold and neutral wire respectively. Once all of that is completed, you can screw the electrical outlet back into its place. It is now safe to turn the breaker back on and confirm that an electrical current is running through the outlet. First, remove the screws off the faceplate, and then you can remove the screws from the outlet itself. Now that everything looks good, put the faceplate back on, and you're done.
Off position. So